Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel flavorful.com. Today, we're diving into a recipe that's not just delicious but also super easy and, let me tell you, totally addictive. I'm talking about crispy polenta cakes. You heard me right. This isn't just your average side dish. We're elevating polenta into crispy, golden cakes that are perfect for any meal. Whether you're looking for a tasty appetizer, a side dish for dinner, or just a snack while binge watching your favorite series, these little beauties are a game changer. So, let's get cooking. Here's what you'll need to whip these up. First up, we need a saucepan and add milk and water in it. Add instant polenta, salt, garlic powder, and Parmesan cheese. Mix it well. Pour the polenta into a greased baking dish. Just spread it out evenly and aim for about ½ inch thick. Let this cool for at least 30 minutes. You can shape it. Now take a pan and add oil in it. Now add polenta cake in it and fry it. Give them about 3 to 4 minutes per side. Now take another pan, add butter and mushrooms and sauté it. Now add shallots, thyme and mix it. Now add broth, balsamic vinegar, salt, butter, cherries, Brussels sprouts and mix it well. Alright, they are done. Just look at these crispy polenta cakes. They're golden, they're gorgeous, and the aroma. Oh my goodness, I can't wait to dive in. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I've got tons of delicious ideas I can't wait to share with you. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss out on any yummy Thanks for hanging out with me today. Now go get your cook on, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.